What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Oh my god, this sun is crazy right now. But today's the day. Today's the day that I've been waiting for. I'm pretty sure some of you have been waiting for. Today, I'm gonna wash this car, okay? I can't take it anymore. It's literally driving me insane. I'm looking at the car and it's so dirty. Every time I look at it, I'm like, oh my god, yo, I can't. But the other day, remember I was telling you guys, I think something went wrong with my compressor. I think my fuse blew. It's not the first time it blew too, so I think there might be a short somewhere. I didn't even bring the key to this car. Oh god. All right, back inside. Y'all wanna know what's under the hood? Something crazy, y'all. Something crazy. Whew. It's kinda on the nip side. It's actually not that bad, but this is the first Saturday I've gotten to myself, so that way I can actually get to wash the car. But this fuse right here definitely looks like it's blown. I checked the other day and it looked real blown. So maybe one of my wires or something is fucked. But like, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but like you can see it's like black marks inside there. Right here. Black marks inside there. That's how you can normally tell when it's like blown. So you just put the new one in. But I definitely gotta check the wiring on this because something not right. Something must be exposed somewhere. It's probably one of these wires inside. I'm gonna just black wire tape it so that way it's not touching anything. Alright, so now let's see if the compressor cuts on. It should cut on. I hope it does. I hope it's not my compressor is actually messed up. I'm gonna just buy another one. I know I've been saying it, but I'm gonna just buy another one. All right, let's see. All right. Yeah, nice. So right now, I'm trying to get the pressure washer to work because it was frozen inside the gun, so I'm like trying to get all the water to go through. But it's working now, so we good money. Alright, so the tank is filled up in the car. So now I'm gonna bring the car over here and get to washing, man. This is an exciting moment for me right now. I've been slacking on washing this car. The car is so dirty, it's unacceptable. It is unacceptable, I promise y'all that. I never let my car get this dirty, but it's been real cold, the weather's been real crappy, and honestly I just don't have the time right now. So now I'm gonna get to wash it today. Hopefully it stays clean for at least another 2-3 weeks. Okay, done washing the car. Also did the CRV. I was like, might as well kill 2 birds with 1 stone, get the CRV clean, get the S2K clean. I might be taking the S2K out today. So we'll see what we're gonna get ourselves into. I'm gonna hurry up and dry the car off, do all the nice little things that I normally do when I wash my car. And yeah, I'll get back to you guys. I'm pretty sure you guys don't care watching me wash my car. I just like doing the parts where I'm like using the pressure washer, just so cool. But yeah, other than that, catch you guys in like 2 seconds. I'm gonna finish the cars up and then start our day. Now this is the S2K I know. God, look how clean she is now. I'm kind of lazy to put on the hard top back, so I'm just gonna wait. But whew, nice, right? She's back parked up. It's getting dark out, so brighten this up for y'all. It sucks because it's only 3:42 and it's already starting to lose daylight. Ah, daylight savings times, I tell you. Just made it out to Chick-fil-A, got my food with the Chick-fil-A sauce. Nice. Nice. Ooh, crispy chicken. Gotta make sure there's no cheese on there. So I just came to Home Depot to get this little flywheel cutter for my Dremel because I ran out of it. But I'm also looking at some new drills because I need something to keep my wheels polished. And I don't like using my dad's drill all the time. So I'm like looking at some that I could use to keep the wheels nice and polished. But I think DeWalt is better than Ryobi. Yeah, I need something that has like a hammerhead, right? I think that's what it's called, like a hammerhead drill. It needs that nice torque on it to keep it like nice and clean and polished. Because some of the other drills that I've been using before, they don't have enough torque on it. So that's why it doesn't like get the wheels the way that I need it to. So, I don't know. I'm trying to figure out which one I like. And also want to get one of these so that way I can like impact my wheels off instead of always having to pull the air tank out. So much wants, so much needs. I also just picked up some Resolve too to clean up the S2000's Recaro seats. Starting to get a little dirty, and also for the carpets. So, Resolve for the win. What is up, everybody? So it's the next day, but it's gonna be a continuation from yesterday's vlog. I was gonna put the hardtop on today, but I got real lazy and I just didn't feel like doing it anymore. But I'm about to put some of this Resolve on the Recaro seats to get the seats back clean again, because they're starting to get a little dirty because of like my jeans and like stuff like that. So it's starting to stain the side bolsters. So I just want to get the car back clean. Like my driver's side seat is way worse than the passenger side seat because no one really sits in the passenger side. So I'm gonna try to clean this up real quick. I'm not sure what I'm gonna get myself into today. Like I said, it's been cold as hell. I'm not in the mood to like put the hardtop back on and adjusting it and doing all that hardness. I just don't feel like doing it. And yeah, so I'm gonna clean up the seats and then maybe try to get into something later on today. I don't know what it is to do today, but yo, the car is so clean right now. I'm so proud of myself, like how clean it is, how good it looks right now, because I'm telling you, yesterday and the past 3 weeks, this car has been filthy, bro. Like even the wheels is back shining again. I put a little arm, little arm and elbow grease into that. But let's clean these seats. I'm cold as hell. All right. All right. Now we just get in there with the brush, get these bad boys clean. Nice. So like you'll see little dark spots on there. That's just where it's wet at still. But once it dries up, it's gonna look way cleaner. Carpets is all, it's like dirty in certain spots, but it's kind of hard to get it up. That's how I kind of bought them. I cleaned them up as much as I could as possible, but right now you see the little dark spots, those are wet spots. So hey. So, being that I don't have a harness for this side, I'm putting my stock seat belt back until I'm able to get another harness. So that way I could drive with whoever and don't have to feel like, oh, I don't have a seat belt for you. So I'm going to use the stock seat belt for right now. It's only for right now until I'm able to get another harness. And then once I get the other harness, this will come back out again. This one seat belt bolt, bruh, took me like 10 minutes just to even get, bruh. Had to take the seat back out. Dang, this thing is annoying, man. Alright, seat is in there now. Not going nowhere. Now let's put this bracket on that side now. Alright, so I just finished with the S2K. Like I said, I'm just a little too lazy to put the hard top on, but I put the seat back in, I put the seat belts back in. So now we just put the hard top and then we straight money. But I'm about to step out real quick, go get some food and stuff. Had to go lotion my hands because your boy was getting dumb ashy. But yeah, let's see what this day has to offer. Just came out to the Acura dealership, but they were closed. But yeah, what do you guys think about these STIs, bro? I've been kind of looking into them, and I low-key want one. My boy Joey has one, the guy with the blue Civic. I low-key want one. All-wheel drive. I'll trade the CRV in for this. I think that'd be pretty cool. I don't know how I really feel about the 9th gen Civic SIs, but I don't know. I like how the seats already come red and everything like that. That's pretty cool. But I don't know. I'm an 8th gen lover from here until then, bro. 8th gens are like my favorites. I really wanted to look at some Type Rs today. I don't know. I've really been in the mood of like wanting to buy one, but I haven't been able to come across one as of yet. But maybe sooner or later. What do you guys think? Having a Type R on the channel, how would that be? I think that would be pretty cool. I don't really see too much like parts and stuff like that online for them, but like, I don't know. I think it would just be cool to own a Type R, a Fiji blue one with a red interior. Yeah. What's going on, everybody? So I just finished editing this vlog for you guys. I just want to say shout out to everyone who's been supporting me, watching the videos, and just showing nothing but love and support, man. I just want to say we're so close to 14K. Alright, we're so close. If you guys haven't, please share, tag a friend, tell a friend, let them know that Phil S2K is one of the hottest YouTubers out right now. Alright, maybe I'm not the hottest, but like in my mind I am. I put a lot of work and effort into these videos for you guys, but I do want to go look at some Type R, so hopefully sometime this week I'll get to go look at some, maybe test drive one, and see if I actually do like them. I just want to look to see if I could get another car besides the CRV for the channel. I want to do something different. I want to start another build. I was thinking about maybe getting another S2K, I don't know. So, you know, I just want to try something out, maybe do something that's going to bring more light and make more people want to feel attracted to the channel, you know? Like the S2000, that's my baby. I love it. I can't sell it. I wouldn't let it go. But I also want to have another car that I could, like, you know, bring to you guys and show light. You know, the CRV is going to be next. I'm already looking at parts of what I want to buy and what I want to do. But I don't want to go too crazy on the CRV at the end of the day, you know? Because I do want to put most of my money into my S2000. Like, the S2000, I want to do so much. Like, boost it, shave the engine bay, repaint it, you know, maybe switch up the front bumper, switch up flares, and all that good stuff. Like, just do something different. I actually put a post out on Instagram yesterday saying that I want to go with some deep dish wheels on the S2K because no one wants to buy my works. So I'm going to rebuild the works and then, like, make them my own way and just make it fit better. So we'll see. We got a lot to do. Hopefully I could go get to look at some Type Rs this week. If I don't, maybe another time. But that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, that's it. Good night.